Hello and welcome, podcast friends. We are going to take a quick look at the podcast curriculum and how you go about using this curriculum here. So when you first open a curriculum that you wish to do, you get 3 of these columns: to do, doing, done, and you are here in this first tab, the Start Here tab. And so as you open and read the information inside each of these tabs, you move them over to doing and then to done. So if I'm in Start Here, I can open up Start Here, read the information inside of Start Here. I can set a priority. How soon do we got to get this done, this task? I can set a date. So which date do we want to try and complete this by? So we can pace ourselves. Add comments, add a checklist, any kind of information that you want to track. And so then once you've completed this, we'll move it to done. And we can keep doing that as we go through each of these steps. So here we're going to learn about some of the Apple requirements, the sizing, any kind of information, some more links. But each one of these cards, as we go through them, we learn about them, we move them to done. Right? What kind of podcast are we? Let's think about what kind of podcast we are, what our branding is, what our color scheme is, what our look is. So we do each of these. We can set a priority, set a due date, start, end by, add any attachments. You also can add attachments in here. So let's say you're designing a piece of artwork that you want the rest of the group to look at. You can upload it here and then get comments on it. So this is an easy way for you to track your work. And then the last card here will take you through a video of actually how to design this, your own artwork in Canva. So we try to make it very simple for you to use this curriculum builder, go through each tab, move things from to do, doing to done. And by the end of it, you will have completed this part of the curriculum. Good luck. Have fun. See you guys in the next chapter.